Hello guys, this is Paulina. So I came back home and I saw this beauty on my porch and I decided to sit right away and to do a makeup look. And I already have foundation on my face and powder and contouring and brows and some mascara, but no eyeshadows. So I decided to do an eye makeup look on top of it and to do some finishing touches to my face makeup. I'm not really sure what look I will create at this point, but at least I have a color scheme in my mind, though I'm not sure. Yeah, so my makeup may not be too fresh. I mean, my face makeup may not be too fresh because I'm wearing it for maybe 5 to 6 hours, but we have what we have and we will be working with it. So I was so excited about this palette because I've seen the teasers and I also saw the presentation of this palette yesterday. So I wanted to try this shimmery shades so much. Look how pretty this is. Of course I touched it already. I've done the swatches in my Instagram, some swatches, and then I played a little bit of the Instagram to kind of decide, you know, what look to create and how the shades look, I mean the swatches, how they look, and kind of imagining how they will look on my eyes. So yes, if you want to know what look I've created, stay here. I'm starting off with Third Eye eyeshadow and I'm lightly dusting it all over my eyelid because I want the shimmery shades to pop. But don't put too much of the matte eyeshadow because the shimmery shade will not adhere well. To create dimension, I'm packing the same color into my outer corner as well as the crease. I cannot say that the matte eyeshadows are extremely pigmented, but it's very good because with the pigmented ones you can have a lot of problems like fall-offs, and you know, if you pack too much it will be just pain in the ass to blend. So this palette will be amazing if you're just starting your journey with makeup. You see that still it's pretty buildable, so I just blended away too much and I'm just adding some more. And blend, blend, blend. Take an antidote to make the transition more smooth. And the fun part, so I'm taking Meditate onto my finger because this way it will give me the best payoff. Guys, and this shade is just wow. I would wear it like every day. You cannot see the multi-dimensional shimmer in here, but it's just so gorgeous, so beautiful, and in the sunlight it will be, oh my god, so beautiful. I really like that you can also work with this shade with the brush and it will give you the almost the same payoff. With a clean flat brush, I'm just cleaning the edges. For the lower lash line, I decided to work with Paint Pot by MAC in the shade Groundwork. I really like this one to work with the shimmery shades, especially with purplish and pinkish, because in my opinion, this Paint Pot will bring out the pink and purple so well. And I will follow the same sequence of the eyeshadows applied onto my lower eyelid. Taking the Illuminati Glow Powder by Artist Couture, I apply it as the highlighter. And I continue working with it for my cheekbones. I decided to go with a thin eyeliner, and this is the scariest part, but so necessary. Razor sharp eyeliner is one of my favorite ones because it's so thin and you can work so well with it. It gives you so much control, but it's so hard to film actually the eyeliner application, so I ended up doing it off the camera. Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay is my favorite at the moment. And of course some lashes. These are Marquise by Eylure, and I will list all of the products down below. To open up your eyes, you can use any nude eye pencil. I'm using Roller Eye Bright by Benefit. And here is the finished eye look. Okay, so I completely forgot to zoom out my camera while I was doing my face and lips, and I'm so sorry about this. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you will give me a thumbs up and you will subscribe, and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.